Hello programmers, welcome to my new video. In this video, I am going to tell you that how you can make a QR code generator in Python. But before that, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Now, let's get started. In this video, we are going to use two modules which are Pyqrcode and PNG. We will use Pyqrcode to generate the QR code and PNG to save its PNG file. Now in this video, the code editor we are using is Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Now let's start writing the code. Let's first import both of these modules by typing import Pyqrcode and import PNG. After importing both of these modules, we have to make a variable named QR. This variable is our main function. So in this variable, we will write pyqrcode.create, then parenthesis. In these parentheses, you can write any string or any integer and even a URL. So I will type https://www.youtube.com. So our main function is completed. Now let's save this generated QR code by writing qr.png. In these parentheses, we have to write our file name, including its file format. So I will type qrcode.png. Make sure to write its file format, like PNG. Now let's run our program. So as you can see, we generated our QR code successfully. Now we have to test this QR code. I will open this link in my PC and phone both for testing. So first let's test it in PC. To test this on PC, open this website on Chrome or any other browser. I will give this website's link in description. After opening this website, click on Choose File button. Or you just drag and drop the QR code. Here, after clicking on Choose File, locate your QR code file and click on Open. After clicking on Open, we will get our link. Here, we will also get the QR code's raw text. If you wrote a string or an integer instead of a link, you will get it here. Now let's click on this link. So as you can see, the YouTube is open. So this was for today's guys. I hope you liked my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. Peace out.